Something that is a common trend of workers in fields such as forensic anthropology is the confusion of human and animal bones. But in the end, is there really an easy way to tell this difference?
The biggest, most obvious difference in bones, of course, is the skull. Not only are the eye sockets or orbital cavities different, but also the nasal bones. This, of course, is due to the overall differences in structure. For an example, humans would look weird if our eyes were facing to the side, and horses would look very strange if they had a nose, like me and Albert. But enough talk about skulls, let's head on over to the woods, my favorite place to find bones, and discuss other ways that bones can be different.
Another big difference in bones is the vertebrae. This is a cow cervical vertebrae, and this is a human cervical vertebrae. As you can see, this one's a lot thinner while this one's a lot thicker. That is because humans have much more flexibility in our necks than cows do. Another big difference in bones is the pelvis. This, of course, is a ilium, or the part of the pelvic girdle. In deer, we can see that it looks more like this. That is because deer walk on all four while we walk on only two. Probably my favorite bone is, of course, the scapula, or the shoulder blade. This is a human's shoulder blade, while this is a raccoon's. As you can see, this one's much more blade-shaped, and this one is much more paddle-shaped. If we take a look at the scapula of a baby pig, we can see that it's triangular. Of course, there are a lot of differences in bones, but these are just a few that I put together where I noticed the greatest differences. All of the bones that are used in this video are ethically sourced and legally obtained.